Okay, listen to my point very carefully.
Listen.
I have some phrases. Here I am going to ask those phrases one by one. Okay, my first phrase is there is a point N. Now I will speak Hindi and you just have to translate those sentences in English.
English.
Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir, I am
So
ready
first
for
of
that.
all, let me know if you are aware of this phrase.
Yes, sir, I am aware of this phrase.
वेरी गुड. सो इन हिंदी स्कूल जाने का एक फायदा है.
There is a point in going to school.
वेरी गुड. सुबह में उठने का एक फायदा है.
There is a point in waking up in the morning.
वेरी गुड. नाउ आई हैव वन मोर फ्रेज. द
sir.
फ्रेज इज देयर इज नो पॉइंट इन. देयर इज नो पॉइंट
point
इन.
in.
ओके, फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इन हिंदी. कक्षा में बात करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है.
There is no point. There is no point in talking in classroom.
इन द क्लास, राइट?
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड. कक्षा में शोरगुल करने से कोई फायदा नहीं है.
There is no point in making a noise in the class.
In this video, we have used two phrases. The first one is there's a point in, and the second one is there's no point in. Let's learn them one by one. So, the first one is there is a point in. As you can see it on the screen, means something is useful or meaningful to do. In Hindi, we can say कोई चीज करने से कुछ फायदा होना, कोई मतलब बनना, right? Here I am going to give you some examples so that you can understand it better. यह काम करने से कोई फायदा है. In English we can say there's a point in doing this work. अंग्रेजी सीखने का एक फायदा है. There's a point in learning English. The second one is there's no point in. Means something is useless or meaningless to do. In Hindi we can say कोई काम करने से, कोई चीज करने से कोई फायदा नहीं होना, कोई मतलब नहीं बनना, right? Okay, let's understand it through examples. Okay, so क्लास में हल्ला करने से कोई फायदा नहीं. There's no point in making a noise in the class. क्लास में बात करने से कोई फायदा नहीं. There's no point in talking in the class.